This is Michael from softwareoasis.com. I have over 25 years of experience with CRM software. I've grown 3 internet businesses to millions of dollars in annual online sales over that time. I've also spent a decade on the front lines prospecting, selling, and providing solutions to SMB and enterprise clients. The one common thread between all of this? A well-structured CRM solution. In this 4-part series, I will share my best tips and tricks to help you succeed with your CRM solution. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch all 4 videos in this series. Video number 1 covers what is CRM software and why do businesses need it. Video number 2 covers how to choose the right CRM software. Video number 3 covers how to use CRM software to improve your sales process. And this final video covers how to use CRM software to improve customer service. In this video, you will learn how to use CRM software to improve your customer service, whether you're a small business just starting out or a medium or large enterprise. Taking your customer experience to the next level is key to delighting your customers. CRM software can be a game changer, and it can integrate all of your channels for customer service. In this video, I'll share 3 stories from my own experience using CRM software and provide 5 actionable tips you can implement right away. The goal is to help you strengthen relationships, provide top-notch service, and grow your business. So, unified customer profiles are the first thing I want to share a story on. When I first started my business, I struggled to keep track of all my customer interactions. I had notes scribbled on paper, emails in my inbox, and details stored in my head. It was quite honestly chaotic. Then I began using a CRM, not just for myself, but across the organization. The software brought all the data into one place: name, company, contact info, order history, communication records. For the first time, I could actually see a picture of each customer. For example, I provided services for a local operation. Now, when I open their profile, I immediately know the owner's name. I worked on their website last year and prefer to contact them by email. This unified view helps me personalize my outreach and better service each client. Managing issues is kind of like a second tier. Another major benefit I've received in using CRM is to manage customer issues. In the past, problems inevitably slipped through the cracks. No longer with a CRM. The days of forgetting to follow up on a question or missing an email altogether, that doesn't happen. With a CRM, you log all open issues, which keeps everyone on the team accountable. For example, let's say a customer has a question. You literally see everything right there in front of you, no matter what channel it came in over, whether it's social media, email, text, chat. You can circle back with them until the issue is resolved and leave the case open. This ensures nothing falls through the cracks. You can provide timely responses and deliver exceptional service to delight your customers. The third scenario is understanding your customers. Finally, a CRM software helps you to understand your customers better. You can analyze the data to see who your best customers are, know what services they use, and literally how they like to engage with your business. Every customer is going to come to you on different channels. For example, maybe one customer only likes to communicate by text, or another may only like to communicate by email. Or some customers are multi-channel. They're going to come in through different channels: chat, text, email, social media, you name it. These insights will help you tailor your approach to each customer's preferences and needs. So tip number 1, centralize your data. Now, let's get into the 5 tips so you can understand how the CRM software works. On this tip number 1, as you're centralizing your data, consolidate details from every channel into unified profiles. This provides a complete view of your customer that you're going to need to personalize your interactions. Tip 2, track issues. Track and manage issues, log open questions and problems as they come up. Set reminders to follow up so nothing falls through the cracks. Tip number 3, and this is a big one, analyze all that data. Look for trends in customer behavior and preferences across your entire organization. Use these insights to improve targeting and to improve your operations. Tip number 4, automate workflows. You can set up rules to trigger actions based on customer activity. This is going to save you a lot of time on manual tasks and different operations across your organization. And the next tip is tip number 5, which is to integrate your systems. And what I mean by this is connect your CRM to your marketing, your sales, your website, all of your different channels so that you're omni-channel. This is going to streamline your data and data sharing across different departments. So all in all, what I hope you've taken away from this is implementing a few best practices can really help you transform your relationships by using your CRM software. You can centralize data, manage issues, analyze information, automate workflows, and integrate your systems. By focusing on providing these personalized, proactive approaches and to your services or products, you'll retain happy customers that fuel your business growth and keep your customers delighted. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have found these tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Whether you can help us reach 1 new subscriber or 1 million, your support is truly appreciated. Be sure to sign up on any page on the website. You'll see we have the ability to connect with us on our email list, and each week we send out emails which have exclusive tips that we share early with our email subscribers on trends and the latest going on in the software industry.